Hi everyone, I hope you all are having a fantastic day so far. Welcome back, and if you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload. In today's video, I'm going to show you a couple of room and home decor DIYs. Give this video a thumbs up if you're enjoying these DIYs and let me know what you want to see next. For this project, you will need 4 black frame mirrors from the Dollar Tree. Make sure you pick these black frames and not the silver frames because these mirrors are actually a bit bigger. You will need black paint and a paintbrush. I got these from Walmart for $1 and some change. This wood is from Lowe's. It was a 2x4 footboard for $10 and they cut it for free to the measurements I needed because I purchased it from them. I told them to cut 4 10.5 inches by 8.5 inch boards and 1 9.5 inches by 8.5 inches, which is the base of the mirror box. You will need Gorilla Construction adhesive glue, wood screws, an electric screwdriver, and gemstone stickers. You can use the silver bling wrap from the Dollar Tree. That would work fine as well and save you a couple of dollars, but I wanted to give this mirrored box extra bling. The gemstone stickers are from Hobby Lobby and they were 50% off. If you go and they aren't 50% off, make sure to always use a coupon because on their website they have a 40% off coupon and I just have them scan it from my phone. Starting off, my husband drilled in 1 screw to each side of the wood boards and had them vertical position. Then he took the bottom of the base and drilled 3 screws on each side. Here's a view to show you where he drilled the screws in. I felt it was easier to show you rather than explaining where each one should go. It came out super sturdy and strong. This is the barcode for the wood I used if you want to use the same one. Next, he is taking the Gorilla Construction adhesive glue and placing it on the wood to glue down the mirrors. I wanted to show you there's a little bit of space between the base and the wood that was screwed so that the mirrors fit in perfectly and not stick out and scratch you. Just lay the mirror right on top and press firmly. Repeat this for the next 3 mirrored sides. For me, this was the fun part. I love painting, so all I did was cover all of the visible wood, and if you get some on the mirrors, it's okay because it wipes right off with water and paper towel. I let the paint dry for about 30 minutes, and then it was time to add the bling wrap. I wanted to make sure the wrap wouldn't fall off, so I grabbed some E6000 glue and covered the areas the wrap would go. This bling wrap is easy to cut, so whatever was left over, I grabbed my scissors and saved those pieces to fill in other spots. I ran out of the 3-piece thin wrap gemstone stickers, so I had to cut the thicker wrap in half to finish the box and ended up not using the second 2-piece pack. Here's how the mirrored box came out, you guys. I am so happy with the outcome. I was inspired to do this DIY from a mirrored trash can I saw at HomeGoods. They had it for $39.99, and when I went back, it was sold. A lot of beautiful things go quick, so I thought to myself, what if I tried to remake their trash can? And that's exactly what I did. I know a lot of people would love to have one of these for their home, but they can't ever find them because they sell out so fast. So this is definitely an alternative if you can't find it and really want it. The total cost was about $30, and like I said before, this is just a backup plan if you can't find the one at HomeGoods. To me, it has so many uses and it's so well worth the $30 or $40. I could put flowers on display for my end table, my entryway table, use it to put towels in for the bathroom, or use it as a blanket holder in the living room. There are so many options to go with. It's awesome to get creative and just try out new things. For this second DIY, I will be showing you how to make 2 Glam candle holders. From the Dollar Tree, you will need 4 round mirrors and 3 candle holders. Gem beads from Hobby Lobby. These beads are priced $15.99. This last DIY is super easy and quick to make. All you'll need are things from the Dollar Tree. You'll need a pink bouquet of peonies, a red roses, a small flower vase, and white rocks. Pouring the rocks in the little vase, I cut the flowers about 3 inches so that you can stick them right into the rocks. After that, I'm just going to arrange them to my liking and see how it comes out. Lately, I've been really inspired to make little flower arrangements here and there. I think it's because our baby girl will be born in the spring and we're just so excited to meet her. I also wanted to mention that we are past 80,000 subscribers, you guys. Wow, I am so grateful. My heart is full just to even think that you all are inspired in any way through this channel. I started YouTube a year ago, and it's just so humbling and amazing to see how you all show your love and support on a daily basis. Not a day goes by that I'm not grateful for you all, and you guys are just a true blessing in my life. So in return, I will be doing a giveaway in today's video as a token of my appreciation. I will pick 2 winners, and each winner will receive one $25 gift card to either TJ Maxx or Target. More details will be in the description box. Here's the finished result, you guys. It came out so pretty. I really like the way these 2 colors go together, and with the white rocks, it just gives it a spa-like feel. I think I'm going to place this set in my guest bathroom with the candle. This is also a perfect gift to give somebody, and it was only $4 to make, and you can use whatever flowers and color combo you want. So this concludes my video. Thank you all so much for watching and all your love and support. Have a beautiful and blessed week.